How to send money from Ggives to CIMB Bank. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send your money from your Ggives to your CIMB Bank account. So in order to transfer the money from your Ggives to your CIMB Bank account, you need to simply open your Gcash account, and after that just simply log into your Gcash account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your Gcash account, on the top side of the menu screen, you will be able to see different options under the customer section like get started, services, partner and other options. Just simply hover your cursor over the service section, and over here you will be able to see bunch of different options like send, pay, borrow, grow, enjoy and more. So in order to transfer the money into the bank account that you are looking for, just simply click on bank transfer right here under the grow section. And over here, you will have the safe and secure bank transfer guaranteed by the Gcash account using your Ggives. If you want to transfer that only, just scroll down, and over here you will be able to see the mobile banking just go easier and the number of the bank account that has been linked with Gcash in order to transfer and make the process even more smoother. So just find your CIMB Bank right here, and if you don't find it, just simply click on view all partner banks, and after that you will be able to find your CIMB Bank in which you want to transfer the money. And once you find the bank, just select that, and after that just scroll down and click on the transfer to bank section. And over here you have two different options. Either you can go ahead and transfer to your bank and entering the details and the information manually, or you can also go ahead and use the QR code. Just simply open your mobile banking app, and after that just scan the QR code through your mobile banking app, and after that just simply enter the amount of the money and transfer the money from the QR code itself. But if you want to use the traditional method, simply click on transfer to bank, and after that just enter your information of the Ggives account from where you want to transfer the money, and after that just review all the information that you have mentioned and click on receive confirmation, and this way you will be able to transfer the money. So this is basically how you will be able to send from Ggives to CIMB Bank. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.